Here's how to create your summer mixtape. Navigate to Templates, click Social Media, and open the summer mixtape template. Upload your songs or choose songs from the stock media library. For this activity, you'll choose 3 songs to preview for 10 seconds each. When you find your song, drag it down over the audio clip in the timeline and click Replace. Then repeat this process for the other 2 songs. Once you have your 3 songs, click Audio and Opacity Show Audio. Create keyframes and adjust volume to create smooth transitions. Then edit the text to name the vibes you plan to cultivate this summer. Next, replace the background videos to stylize your text with an aesthetic that matches the vibe. Make any adjustments you want, then double-click on the video clip to crop the video so it just shows behind the text. If you want to replace the photo with your own photo, go ahead and delete the extra images. We just need enough images to create one full rotation, and then we'll copy and paste those to fill the rest of the space. Delete the first photo and drag your own photo into that space, then double-click on your image and use the chroma key tool to remove the background. Then use the transform tool to scale down your image so it fits the space. Delete the extra images, then copy and paste your own image several times. Double-click on the second image and rotate it 1 notch. Rotate the third image 2 notches, and repeat this process until you've made a full rotation. Delete the extra photos you don't need, then copy and paste the photos several times until you've filled your video. Delete any extra photos and preview your video. If it looks good, export your video. Then copy the link from the export page and submit your video via the submission form on the Creative Challenge webpage for a chance to win prizes. If you want, share your video to social media with the hashtag WeVideo Creative.